Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Swati. Today I'm going to share a complete roadmap that can help you improve your English at home. These are practical methods that thousands of learners use successfully. And the best part, you don't need to be perfect, you don't need to live in an English speaking country, and you don't even need a teacher beside you all the time. You only need consistency and the right habits. Many learners believe that fluency comes from studying grammar for hours. But fluency doesn't come from knowing every grammar rule. Fluency comes from using English regularly. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't start with grammar books. They listen, they observe, they speak, they make mistakes, and gradually they become fluent. English learning works in a very similar way. Instead of saying, "How can I become fluent in 1 month?" ask, "What can I do every day to improve?" That small change in mindset can completely transform your progress. Now, let's talk about one of the most important principles. Many learners study English for 3 hours on Sunday and then do nothing for the rest of the week. This approach doesn't work very well. Why? Because language learning needs a regular exposure. Imagine watering a plant. Would you pour 10 buckets of water once a week? Or would you give it a little water every day? Of course, every day, your English grows the same way. Even 30 minutes daily is more powerful than studying for several hours once a week. So don't focus on studying harder. Focus on studying regularly, because consistency always beats intensity. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with English is that they only use it during study time. But fluent speakers surround themselves with the language. You can create an English environment even at home. For example, while cooking, listen to English podcasts. While cleaning your room, play English videos. While traveling, listen to English conversations. The goal is simple: make English a part of your daily life. The more English your brain hears, the more natural it starts feeling. Now let's discuss vocabulary. Many learners make one common mistake. They memorize hundreds of words but forget them after a few days. Instead of learning isolated words, learn words through context. Instead of learning the word exhausted alone, learn "I'm exhausted after work." Now your brain connects with a real situation. This makes vocabulary easier to remember and easier to use. Always learn words, phrases, and example sentences, because communication happens through sentences, not isolated words. This habit can completely change your English. Many learners think in their native language and then translate into English. This creates delays and confusion. Instead, train yourself to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. For example, "I'm drinking tea," "the weather is nice today," "I'm watching video," "I need to finish my work." Look around your room and describe things in English. For example, "There is a table near the window. My phone is on the bed. The fan is running." At first, it may feel difficult, but with practice, your brain starts forming English thoughts automatically. And that's when speaking becomes much faster. Many people say, "I don't have anyone to practice English with." But that's not a valid excuse. You can practice speaking alone. Let me show you some powerful techniques. Self-talk, mirror practice, shadowing, then record yourself. Now let's combine everything into a daily simple routine. First, daily listening. Listen to English every day. Even 15 to 20 minutes is enough. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, interviews. The goal is exposure. The more you listen, the more natural your English becomes. Second, daily reading. Read something daily. Choose topics you enjoy. You can read health, travel, technology, stories, Motivation, reading improves vocabulary and sentence formation naturally. Third, daily speaking. Speak English every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. Remember, speaking is a skill, and skills improve through practice. Fourth, daily thinking. Spend a few minutes thinking in English. Describe your surroundings, talk about your plans, express your feelings, reduces dependence on translation. Now let's discuss another important mistake. Many learners wait until their English becomes perfect before speaking. They think I will speak when my grammar becomes perfect, I will speak when my vocabulary becomes perfect. But perfection is a trap. If you keep waiting for perfection, you may never start. Mistakes are not proof of failure. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. So don't fear mistakes. Learn from them and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to English with Swati. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling.